think this dress would look good for the party tomorrow? And what about this shirt? Can I wear it to school?
Yes, it looks good. But you already have a white t-shirt for school. Find something which you can wear to a party or on occasions.
Okay, Mom. But I have a few questions in my mind. Can I ask?
Yes, of course, Avnish. Tell me.
Mom, why do we wear different clothes for different occasions and seasons?
When we get home, I will explain it to you in detail. Let's talk about why we wear different clothes for different occasions and seasons. In ancient times, the early humans didn't have clothes. They used leaves, bark, and animal skins to cover themselves. Over time, they learned to weave and started wearing clothes. Now, clothes are a basic need and like a second skin. We wear different clothes for different places, occasions, and seasons.
So, how did people start making clothes?
We need clothes for several reasons. They protect us from the weather, such as keeping us warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Clothes also protect our skin from injuries, insect bites, and harmful rays from the sun. Additionally, clothes help us look good and feel confident. They can also reflect our culture and traditions. Without clothes, we would be exposed to many dangers and discomforts.
Oh, that makes sense. I never thought about how clothes protect us from so many things.
Did you know, kids, the choice of our clothes depend on the climate? There are two main types of fabrics used to make clothes: natural fabrics and synthetic fabrics.
What are natural fabrics, Mom?
Natural fabrics are made from natural sources like plants and animals. Examples include cotton, which is soft and breathable, and wool, which is warm and ideal for winter. Silk, another natural fabric, is smooth and shiny, often used for fancy dresses. Cotton clothes allow heat to escape from our body and keep us cool in the summer. In winter, we wear woolen and silk clothes. These clothes keep us warm. We mostly wear dark-colored clothes in winter. Dark-colored clothes absorb heat and keep us warm.
That's great to know, Mom.
Synthetic fabrics are man-made fabrics created from chemical substances. Examples include polyester and nylon, which are durable and easy to wash. Synthetic fabrics are often used for sportswear and everyday clothing because they are strong and wrinkle resistant. These fabrics are not found in nature as these are handmade. Some synthetic fabrics are waterproof also. Do you know, Kushi? Different countries have their own traditional dresses that represent their culture. The type of clothing depends upon the climate and traditions of the country.
Mom, please share some examples.
In India, saris and kurta pajamas are traditional dresses. In Japan, people wear kimonos. In Scotland, kilts are traditional. And in Mexico, people wear often sombreros and ponchos.
I remember wearing a kurta pajama during Diwali party last year.
Yes, I remember you were looking handsome in that. I want to let you know few more things.
Yes, Mom. I'm a keen learner. I want to learn more.
Taking care of our clothes is important to make them last longer and look good. For instance, always read the care label before washing. Some clothes need to be hand washed or dry cleaned, whilst others can go in the washing machine.
I'll make sure to check the labels before washing my clothes. Me too.
Dry clothes in the shade to prevent colors from fading. Use a clothesline or a drying rack instead of a dryer for delicate fabrics. And remember to iron clothes at the correct temperature. Some fabrics like cotton can handle high heat, while others like silk need low heat.
How should we store our clothes?
Store.
Clothes in a clean, dry place. Use mothballs or cedar blocks to protect against insects. Fold heavy items like sweaters to avoid stretching and hang lighter items to keep them wrinkle-free.
That's a lot to remember, but it makes sense.
I'm glad we had this conversation. Understanding why we wear different clothes and how to take care of them is important.
Thanks, Mom. Now I know why clothes are so important to us and how to take care of them better.